Hi, I'm Emily Wenzel with Body and Mind Enrichment. I'm a food extraordinaire, and today we're going to go over a recipe called the Mexican Cilantro and Onion Salad. What you'll need for this summery salad is red onion, tomato, celery, cucumber, jalapeno, scallions, some lime, cumin, and salt and pepper. And of course, cilantro. So today, you're going to mix some tomatoes and onions, scallions, a little jalapeno, you decide, and celery, cucumber, last but not least, of course, cilantro. And again, I decided to keep the cilantro in bigger pieces, but you can slice the cilantro even thinner pieces if you feel like you need to hide it a little bit more. So for the dressing, I like to keep it light and simple. A squeeze of lime, or maybe two. You're gonna have to play around with your quantities. And some cumin, I'm a big fan of cumin. So I add a couple splashes. I will say, just be aware, a little cumin goes a long way. Some black pepper. And then a little hint of salt. If you feel that your dressing is a little too tarty, then add just a drop of olive oil or maybe even a lighter oil like grapeseed oil or sunflower oil. Drizzle it on top. Feel free to even get more creative with avocado, maybe beans. And I highly recommend eating your salad with a good positive attitude. And that's how you make your tasty Mexican cilantro and onion salad. I'm Emily Wenzel with bodyandmindenrichment.org.